Hello, this is Monica from Tycorun company. We are professional lithium battery and battery swapping station manufacturer and supplier in China. Now I'm in our battery swapping station workshop. Behind me is our every customer battery swapping cabinet. This customer bought one sample at the end of last year. Now they bought 100 pieces for bulk order. Today, this 100 pieces cabinet is doing the agent test. So our engineer is going to check the 100 pieces cabinet for ready for shipping. Today, let's discuss what customer need to do after they receiving our battery swapping cabinets. Firstly, customer need to buy the power cable, like this one. This is a power cable for connecting with our cabinet and the outlet. So the cable length is based on how far your charging cabinet from your outlet. So the cable usually need to buy by customer. But if you want us to buy the cable for you, it's also okay. You need to tell us the length of the power cable. And we need to consider about the cabinet power. Our cabinet power is totally about 60 kilowatts. Cabinet is operated at around 60 kilowatts, so the cable is must thick enough to carry the current safely. Let's show you our cabinet. The cabinet is powered on. The first step is to connect your local network. We can go to the backend system on the screen to connect with your local Wi-Fi. So let's show you how to connect to your local Wi-Fi. Here's your Wi-Fi. So this is our backend system. We can click the system setting here. Here is the cabinet ID number, and we go down. There is Wi-Fi connection. You can click select. Link right. So you can select your local Wi-Fi. 哪一个？ Here, enter your password, your Wi-Fi password. Connect. Okay, so connect successfully. Okay. Now you can see the cabinet is online. If you don't have your local Wi-Fi, our cabinet has 4G module, so you can insert your local SIM card. This cabinet is front maintenance cabinet. You can open this door to send the 4G module here. This is our 4G module, and you can insert your local SIM card. Just push the button, you can insert your SIM card. The cabinet must have the network, then you can do the swapping. So after testing. Because our cabinet swap 2 batteries in one time, so we need to put 4 battery inside. How to open the door? Let's show you how to open the door. We can go back to the backend system. So here we can see here have opened our doors, and here you can open each slot. So I open four box. I try to open. Now the first one is open. Second one, third one, the fourth. So I open 4 doors. I put 4 battery inside. After you put 4 battery inside, the green light means the battery is in charging now. After the battery put inside, the cabinet screen have 4 battery on the screen, and each battery has a number and the SOC. So the system has read the battery status. Here have show 4 battery inside. Okay, let's proceed to the battery swapping process. Okay, this is our Tycorun app. So let me show you how to swap with our app. Click our app and click battery. Scan battery now. Okay, we scan the QR code.
Okay. After picking up the new battery, close the door.
So I'm the new user, so when I scan the QR code, it will pump out 2 batteries.
Open completed. Welcome to use again.
After the 2 battery is run out, I need to do the swapping new battery. So I need to scan the QR code again.
The door is open. After putting in the battery, plug in the charging cable and close the door.
I put into my dead battery. So it will pump out 1 new battery.
The door
The
is
second
open.
battery.
After picking up the new battery, close the door. Swapping completed. Welcome to use again.
Okay, the swapping process is finished. So if you have other questions about battery swapping or other questions about battery swapping cabinet, welcome to contact us. This is Monica, your reliable partner in China. Bye-bye.